Assalamu alaikum, hola mis amigos y bienvenidos. Estamos aquí en la clase de idiomas con un video nuevo e interesante sobre pronombres otra vez. Hello friends, welcome back again to my channel with a new interesting video in which we are going to learn pronouns again. As you know, in the last two lectures we learned personal pronouns and possessive pronouns, but now in this video we are going to learn reflexive pronouns. So if you are new here to my channel, hit the like and subscribe button to keep you updated for the upcoming videos. So let's get started. The first reflexive pronoun we have is myself. Myself. In Spanish, we say me as well as yo mismo or yo misma. We use actually me or yo mismo or yo misma. Depending on the gender, yo mismo or yo misma. And in Hindi, we say swayam, myself, swayam, मैं खुद. Or we can either say swayam or खुद, मैं खुद. Like मैं खुद, for example, मैं खुद. मैं खुद. And in Urdu we say the same मैं खुद, which is written as मैं खुद. If we use me and yo mismo or yo misma in sentences in Spanish, for example, if we say I look at myself, I look at myself. In Spanish, we say yo me miro, yo me miro. In Spanish, yo me miro. If we use yo mismo in Spanish, for example, if we say I do it myself, I myself do it, I myself do it. In Spanish, we say yo mismo lo hago, yo mismo lo hago, yo mismo lo hago, right? So the next pronoun is yourself, yourself. And if we use yourself in informal way, in Spanish we say te or tú mismo or tú misma. Depending on the gender, we use tú mismo or tú misma. And in Hindi, we say tú khud or tum khud. Like we say tú khud, tú khud, tú khud. Say tú mismo or tú misma, tú khud. Or we either say tú khud or tum khud. And in Urdu, we say tú khud or tum khud, right? Tu khud or tum khud. If we use this yourself in formal way, the same yourself in this is for informal way, and this is gonna be used in the formal way. In the formal way. And in Spanish, we use usted se as well as usted mismo or misma, right? And in Hindi, we say आप खुद, आप खुद, आप खुद. And in the same way, we say आप खुद in Urdu, which is written as आप खुद. So the next reflexive pronoun is himself. Himself. In Spanish, we use se as well as el mismo. El mismo. El mismo. And in Hindi, we say वो खुद. वो खुद. Right? And in the same way, we say वो खुद in Urdu, which is written as वो खुद. Right? And the next reflexive pronoun is herself. Herself. And in Spanish, we use se as well as ella. Ella misma. Ella misma. And in Hindi, we say वो खुद. वो खुद. Right? And in Urdu, we say the same वो खुद, which is written as वो खुद. Himself and herself. So the next pronoun is ourselves. Ourselves. And in Spanish, we say nos as well as nosotros, nosotros mismos. Nosotros mismos in Spanish. And in Hindi, we say hum khud. We ourselves, hum khud, which is written as hum khud. And in the same way, we say hum khud in Urdu, which is written as hum khud. Hum khud. So the next reflexive pronoun is yourselves. Yourselves. yourself. And in Spanish, we say os, os, or vosotros mismos or vosotras mismas. Vosotros mismos for male gender, or we say vosotras mismas for female gender. Os, we say os as well as vosotros mismos or vosotras mismas, depending on the gender. And in Hindi, we say tum khud. Actually, we are using it in the informal way. So in Hindi, we say tum khud. Tum khud. And in the same way, we say tum khud in Urdu, which is written as tum khud, right? And the next reflexive pronoun is again yourselves, which we are going to use in the formal way. This was for informal way and this is for formal way, right? And in Spanish, we say os as well as ustedes mismos or ustedes mismas. Depending on the gender, ustedes mismos or ustedes mismas, right? Os as well as ustedes mismos or ustedes mismas. And in Hindi, we say aap khud, which is written as aap khud, aap khud. And in the same way, we say aap khud in Urdu, which is written as aap khud, right? Like this, aap khud, aap khud, yourselves in formal way, and in the formal way yourself is written and spoken in Spanish, Hindi and Urdu like this. So the next reflexive pronoun is themselves. Themselves. And in Spanish we say se, se, as well as ellos mismos, ellos, ellos mismos or ellas mismas, depending on the gender. Ellos mismos, ellas mismas. And in Hindi, we say वो खुद, वो खुद, वो खुद. And in the same way, we say वो खुद in Urdu, which is written as वो खुद. Yourselves and themselves. So this is the end of our lecture in which you guys learned reflexive pronouns in 4 different languages like English, Spanish, Hindi and Urdu. And I hope you guys enjoyed this lecture very well. And in the end, I must say, don't forget to like and subscribe this channel for the upcoming videos. See you soon in the next upcoming video. Till then, take care. Bye. Adios. Ciao.